Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the concept of stack in Python. A stack is a very important data structure. In computer science, it follows the LIFO principle, which means last in, first out. Just like a stack of plates, the last plate you place on the top is the first one you take off. In this program, I created a class called stack. Inside the class there is a constructor method called init, which initializes an empty list named self.stack. This list is used to store all the elements in the stack. Next, I defined several methods for different operations of stack. The operations are the push method adds an element to the top of the stack using the append function. Then the method pop removes the top of the element in the stack, but before doing this function, it checks if the stack is empty using the isEmpty method. If it is empty, it returns the message stack is empty. The peek method shows the top of the element without removing the element. Then the isEmpty method checks whether the stack has an elements or not, returns true or false. And then there is a method called the size. It returns the total number of elements present in the stack. It's just like the length of the stack. In the main part of the program, I created an object called myStack. Then I pushed three elements A and B and C. After that, I displayed the stack and popped one element and printed the stack again to show the change. And I have pushed three elements A, B, C, and I have popped C, and stack after pop it will be A and B. Then I used the peek method to see the top element, checked if the stack was empty and printed the total size. The output shows that the top element C was removed the first, which clearly follows the last in first out rule. After popping, the stack had two elements, which is shown in the output, that is A and B. So this is the program helps us to understand how the operations of stack like push, pop, peek, and isEmpty and size work in Python. It is a good example of using classes and lists to implement real-world data structures. Then that's all about this program. Thank you.